Hi, my name is Patrick. This is a video to tell you what you should do once the response sheet is out. I will come online live to help you understand the whole process, the cutoffs, etc. But anyway, this is just a video so that you know that once the response sheet is out, what are the steps that you should follow. If you like the video, do like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. It will help and will come up with a lot of videos that will help and guide you as far as possible. We do have courses after CAT for workshops, CD full course, that workshop, GDPR, VAT. You can contact us. Okay, steps once the response sheet is out. First is download your response sheet. Go online, download your response sheet. Once you download the response sheet, what the response sheet will have is your answers. I mean, it'll have all the questions along with your answer and the correct answer. So note it properly. What are your answer? What are correct answer? Once you have that, then find out your section wise and total marks. I mean, you will not get your percentage, but you'll get your marks section wise total. It can be calculated manually. I mean, you can go to every question that is there, find out a number of correct questions, find a number of wrong answers, and find your score. I mean, +3 for correct answers, -1 for non-theta, right? So that's how you will get it. So +3 -1, and then you will find your total score. Okay, it could be also found by uploading a response sheet in various websites. There are many websites available where you can just upload your response sheet and you can find your marks. You can do so for in multiple classes, but anyway, everyone will give the same answer because the answers are already given. You know the correct answers, you can actually find out without going to classes. But if you don't want to take the effort of finding out +3 -1 for each question, you can just upload on websites and you'll get your marks. Now, once you get your marks, then find out the predicted percentile. Remember, this is just the predicted percentile, not the actual percentile, because the actual percentile will come only in January. This is what different classes predict based on the marks from different sources, etc. They collate the marks and then tell you. It will be both section wise and total, because section wise is important to check the cutoffs on section wise. One is checked more than one classes because it's all predicted. So each class will have an error in terms of what percentile they give. So don't take it as a complete that this is what a percentile I will get. There have been a lot of variations because what happens is what you have got is the marks. Then there is scaling that will happen. And based on the scaling, then they will finally calculate your percentile and marks. So there's still a couple of steps. So whatever you get, marks versus percentile, is based on purely what is predicted by the classes, which can completely go wrong because scaling is one step and then calculating the percentile is second step, and each class only have a small amount of data of marks. Okay, so do not solely rely on it and wait for the final result to come out, but this gives you a side prediction in terms of what can be your marks versus percentile. Once you find a predicted percentile, shortlist the colleges that you plan to apply. Whatever fills the percentile. So I'm getting an 80 percentile, I'll check out which are the colleges that can accept me at my 80 percentile, which is the cutoff lower than 80 percentile. Now apply to those colleges whose last dates are before the final CAT results. I mean, these are final CAT results. So before the final CAT results, whoever last dates are there, you can apply to it. No point waiting. And if you're really satisfying the criteria. But whose final dates are after the CAT results, then wait for a final CAT results to come out, percentile. Because the actual percentile you will get only once the final results come out, right? So wait for the final results and then you can apply for the percentiles, right? I hope this helps you. As I said, we'll come up with more videos. All the best for your results.